Hi, this is May's Design Corner, and I am doing a collab called Quick and Easy Meals. And this is going to be exceptionally quick. I'm making me a vegetable and fruit smoothie. It helps your inside right here, and it also helps you to curb your appetite. I used to do these years ago, but I stopped after the kids got big. I don't know why, but I'm going to show you what I do now for my to make my smoothies, and they are so delicious. Let me tell you, they can help you take off weight. A lot of people don't believe it, but it can. It can help you take off weight. So I got my little ninja here just for 1 cup. I have a big one, but I'm just using this little cup. And I'm going to do it 2 times because I got a lot of stuff that I'm trying to stuff in here. First, I would like to thank Anna of the Grace Life DIY, Debbie Bubbles, Jean at Home and Decor and More, and Deborah Cabassa and Debbie Bubbles. So let me go over that again. Thanks to Anna of the Grace Life DIY, Debbie Bubbles, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, Jean's Home Decor, and more. I think I got them all that time. But anyway, this is um, quick and easy meals. And my quick and easy meal is going to be my smoothie. So I'm going to go and get me a little ice out of my refrigerator to get it started. I start with a little crushed ice, and I'm going to start with my spinach. I use real whole spinach. I'm going to put this in here. And I'm going to be doing it in batches because I got a lot in here, and I want because I need this. And I'm going to put my bananas in there. I cut my bananas up, and I'm going to start with those. I'm going to put a couple of apples in here too. Okay, then my spinach. So I'm going to put this on. Uh-oh. It's not going. I like to say, I hope that everybody's having a great day today, and I pray that everything is going right for you and your family today. And I tell you, honey, I like to pray. A lot of people probably don't like to pray and get tired of you saying that, but I'm so sorry. I believe 150% in prayer. So I'm going to put this on here like this. Okay, and I'm going to cut that off. Now what I do is take mine off and shake it down like this. And I'm going to put you on hold so you won't hear that fuss. I just wanted you to hear what I was doing. And this, the rest of it, I'm going to put in there. I'm doing it in batches. Okay, I got that in. So now we're going in with our apples and strawberries. I got strawberries, apples, and bananas. See right here? And blueberries. Blueberries are hard to see. There they are, my blueberries. So I'm going to dump this in and start again. Let's get it all in there. Let me wipe my hand off. And I actually love this. I don't put any added sugar or anything in this. And I'm lactose tolerant, so I can't add any milk. And I do not like almond milk and all that because I don't think almonds have milk. Almond milk is made. It's not real milk. So let me go again. Here I go again. This is my last batch right here. I'm going to put this in. It's my last batch. I got everything out of my container. And that spinach is good because spinach have vitamin C, vitamin E, and D as well. And it's like a folic acid too that spinach is. And it's going to clean you out. So I'm going to go again and then I'll show you what it looks like in the end. And I will be drinking it. Okay, so now I've got it all blended down, all my spinach and my apples and my bananas, and I'm gonna pour it in my cup because I really love this, and it keeps you from eating a lot of sweets too. So let me get it all. There you go. Oh, that looks so good to me. Might not look good to you, but it does to me. So I'm gonna taste it. Mmm. Oh man, it tastes like, I can't explain it to you. I would like to thank you so very much for watching me make my smoothie. I have a small ninja and I also have a large ninja that I make big smoothies in for. My son reminded me that we got the big one too to make our big smoothies for we can have more than one smoothie during the day. So thank you so very much for watching Quick and Easy Meals. I am May's Design Corner, and I would like to thank Anna, Jean, Deborah, Debbie Bubbles for quick and easy meals. Thank you all. Be blessed, and don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself, and know that God is alive and well. And honey, this is God's world, and to your good health. God bless you.